That's a very nice mini one. Aw, so cute. What's up, guys? It's Sian here today. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make some pancakes. So first say prepare 800 ml milk. So you have to make it to 800 here. Okay, guys, 800 here. That's much better, guys. Now, guys, I'm gonna pour the pancake flour in here. Okay, now, guys, that is enough to make it to 4/6. Now, guys, I have to put the flour in here. Whoa, that was good. Dump the whole thing in here. Time for egg. Ew, gross. Guys, I'm gonna stir it. Almost ready, guys. Now we're gonna bake it. Now, guys, I'm gonna pour this in here. So let me do it. That's a very nice mini one. Aw, so cute. Very nice. That's so cute. When I turn 19, I will be best at cooking. Now, guys, I'm gonna make the next one. Yummy, guys. Some delicious pan. And time to flip it, guys. Time to flip it, guys. Ooh, the smoky on. Guys, I'm gonna make my mommy's one. And she might want. So, guys, this is my papa's one and this is my mommy's one. Now, guys, the pancakes are ready. Now I'm gonna put the honey and the cinnamon. Let me have a little bite of it. Now, guys, it's the end of the vlog, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos. Bye.